Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up. You know the drill. Subscribe if for your first time. So Foota hype brother passed out, you see me? Even though I'm not the social media, you don't know it's a human being, therefore people know him. You see me growing up or whatever the case might be. You see me? R.I.P. said we don't know that go. You see me? Doggy said them are fine, but anyways, Intence I do good out Jamaica, you know. See me, small islands out of overseas end of the day, if you ask me. Cayman Islands, and you know it's a good look to said way, you see me. Enough people would have bashed the man end of the day from them time. They even said we just fi I do it said we, but me rate a person where can just do it without ask nobody for strength. Yes, right? Yeah man, so Jada Kingdom on the other end. She love the strength enough. She have her new deal where she signed. You see me? Wonder if it could or it bad. I mean, we I hope for the best, you know. So we get some time. We could see how them celebrating.
Yes.
Okay.
Amazing.
Okay.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Give her a hug, man.
It's a big day.
That's crazy. Yeah. You did that.
I spent everybody on this.
I'm proud of you. Yeah.
Baga sitting at Jamaica. Shock. $1 million giveaway of Peice. Wine and go down the challenge on the behalf.
I didn't come on live to stay long. I come on live to talk about the go down the challenge that we've been having. As you know, a whole heap of good, nice, clean people enter. So now to give Caesar what it gives to Caesar. The people them come out strong in the competition. If you agree, say agree. I feel like people put in a lot because I see the people them even come for the video. Like at the official video. I see the people them get real editor. I see a lot of people get all drone, aerial shots. The people them get costume. The people them go on real good. So I agree. See people I say I agree. I feel like people went all out for the competition. What I wanted to say, and a reason why I came live before my bed, I'm fresh from a nice clean body and go on my bed. Tomorrow I'm going to post the winners. I don't want no anxiety and a problem and a fuss because at the end of the day, it was a difficult decision for me. I posted that even before I post the top 10 that it's been very difficult. I feel like people bring them A game. But what I want to highlight as well, the competition is being judged on creativity, the use of Magnum tonic wine, whining, of course, super talent. So if people bring creativity and them now whine and the creativity is top notch, them lose points. So for example, if we're going to judge the competition, say here we a 3 top category. Alright, you have to get 30 points for win. If you do good pan creativity, you get 10. If you do good pan whining, you get 10. If you do good pan the use of Magnum, you get 10. If somebody just a whine alone, right, they say you know so them lose points if them not no creativity. So you have to look for stuff like that. So with me choosing the winner, I have to look for stuff like that. I have to look for who use up the Magnum. Remember says Magnum money. Remember it's not ours. Remember says it's not our own. So product placement is of course important in the competition. So you have to look who go all out and place the product because the company is paying their money. So product placement is necessary and you have to use the product placement in a good way to also highlight the company. So some people may drop out and some people are DM me and I say, oh, this drop out, why this drop out? You have to look out of your eye. You have to look out of your eye. You have to be very wise. You have to look who a wine. You have to look who a magnum till I repeat over and over, and then you have to look for creativity. So I just wanted to come live before contestant. All right. I just wanted to come live to explain the process before tomorrow when we start posts. And I will be traveling tomorrow because I have a show in Virginia on Saturday. So I will be traveling tomorrow. So I know how when me dip on the plane when I done me and I rub me out and I say, me not choose the winner good. I want to explain to people, you know. Some people just have me number and wait till me come on live to call me. Upsetting, man. Alright, anyway. So tomorrow when I post, I'm going to post all the videos over again, the top 6 that we have. And comments is what's going to allow us to see your preference, because I want to get you involved. It doesn't necessarily mean that the person who have the most comments are going to win, because we already tell you where we are choose them. People are the number. Them must say them can't hear. Where in Virginia you're going to be? Twerkchella. That's the name of the show that I'm going to for Saturday. Twerkchella. And then I leave and go to Bliss, I think, Washington or something like that. Not Washington, but Bliss nightclub for the after party. So some sister on our vote. So anyway, I wanted to come live to say when I post videos tomorrow, you are going to vote based on comment, because I also noticed in the competition that you have dancers who is popular more than some dancers. So I don't necessarily want to go on views, who get the most views or who get the most whatever. When you type your comment, I can see how much people comment. So if you don't like a video, don't comment. Leave it alone. Don't say nothing. If you don't want that person to win, don't comment. So I want to make sure I don't be biased, because at the end of the day, you can't judge off of views. Because remember now, you the fans have to watch the video to see it. And it doesn't, if it, you know, mean say you like it if you watch it. You looking at a video gives it a view, but it doesn't necessarily mean say you like it. All right. So tomorrow when I post again, only comment if you are voting for that video. And I will also put it in the caption, but somehow on the head, soft. Use up on an eye. Look for Magnum. Look for Magnum tonic wine. Look for creativity. And also look for who is whining. Don't be biased. Let us just have fun. It's a fun competition. Big up Magnum tonic wine. And you don't know how the thing go. We'll decide tomorrow who is going to be the top winner for the Go Down Day big dance competition. We're sharing up 1 million Jamaican dollars. Right there. I just came to tell you guys quickly how we're going to do it tomorrow. So big up on yourself. Me see all of the vote them. I love you guys. Go down there. Right there. So the big top summer song. Yeah. That's right there. Alright. Me need you to see. I see the vote. Me not call the people them who not vote for. Vote for them tomorrow morning. We're going to decide who will walk away with a share of $1 million. First place get 500,000. Second place get 300,000. And third place get 200,000. But one thing me I tell you, you know, dancer. Me I go see which one of call me and buy me back a little drink or something out of the money. Right, so.